Hello everyone and welcome to a new WinLuisPlus video. In this video we are going to test the MEMZ Trojan against AVG Antivirus. So today we are going to execute the MEMZ Trojan and we are going to see if AVG protects my computer against it. So if I download MEMZ immediately, AVG is gonna file like a warning for it and it's going to delete it immediately. So we are going to deactivate AVG, download MEMZ, execute it, and then turn on the antivirus to see if I will get the Nyan Cat or not. So we're going to deactivate detections until I turn it on again. File shield. Okay, so everything is off. Ransomware protection, nope. I want this until I turn. Okay, stop. Okay, so everything is off. So we are not protected, so we are going to download the MEMZ Trojan from Enderman Malware database in GitHub. This is a warning: do not download anything in this repository because it's malware and it will damage your computer. Only do it in a second computer or in a VM, virtual machine. So we are going to download everything. We're going to download the zip. By the way, this is the Windows 11 developer leak from 2021, right here, the Windows 11 Pro leak. Okay, so now it has downloaded, so let's extract the file. 7-zip. Okay, so it's in Trojans and it's right here, MEMZ. So let's close this, close out, and let's drag MEMZ to the desktop. Okay, so now we are going to extract MEMZ. Okay, I will put the passwords also in the description because every zip file is locked. So now we have here MEMZ. We have here AVG. So let's execute it. Malicious file, run anyway. And yes, I know this software is considered malware and I want to run it. Yes, this is the last warning. Okay, the creator is not responsible for any damage, so don't execute it in a real computer, guys. Do not try this at home unless you have a VM or a second PC that you don't want. So let's, yes, and MEMZ has been executed with this lovely word. Okay, so yeah, the computer won't boot again, and now MEMZ should be running on my computer. So performance, no, some processes. So yeah, we have MEMZ there. So now I have a theory. If I activate this on, it will detect MEMZ and it will like force quit it. So yeah, this is MEMZ is searching things. Okay, so it's working. So if I turn on this, because if you kill MEMZ, it will kill the whole OS and it won't boot again. So what that MEMZ does is that it rewrites the MBR, that is the file that Windows uses to start up. If it rewrites that, the Nyan Cat appears. So MEMZ has already done that. So if I turn this on, it will kill MEMZ and my computer will be effed. So okay, the cursor is moving. Okay, so now let's enable this because my computer will probably, okay, so turn on basic protection settings, basic protection, yeah, file shield. Okay, so now let's analyze, run smart scan. So as you clearly see, my computer has a virus, so skip for now, skip, and it's searching for malware. So this is the final battle. And one copilot. Okay, so my computer is clearly messed up, so it's searching for malware. Okay, resolve in thread. It has detected MEMZ. Oh, and my no way, no way. What? Did you see that, guys? Like, the lots of message appeared. That was MEMZ that was about to kill my system. Computer is has it won MEMZ? Let's restart it to see. Okay, this is the message. So it won't boot up again, so let's see if AVG has fixed that. If it has fixed that, this is the best antivirus that I have ever seen. Okay, so let's restart the system, and this is the final moment that we will see if MEMZ has broken my computer once again or if it's still good. Start PXE over IP. I don't want network LAN boot. Okay, so I think it's probably gone. Let's try to make F12 and boot into the operating system if it still detects it. So yeah, my boot device has been gone. It has been deleted. So now I'm going to have an idea. I'm going to connect the Windows 11 installer and try to like fix it with a Windows 11 installer. If this works, because MEMZ hasn't broken the whole entire system, it has broke like the startup partition. My files are okay, my desktop is okay, my account is okay. The only thing that it has broken is the startup disk. So guys, after I tried to repair my computer with the Windows install media, it couldn't detect the hard drive. Like, it detected it, but it was like empty. So, and I tried to repair it with the Windows install and it couldn't do it. So now let's try installing AVG in my main machine and trying to create a recover CD with AVG. That CD will basically recover my operating system and try to fix all the bad sectors. I never tried this before. This is a new thing. I don't know if this is going to work, but if you are far here in this video, click the subscribe button and click the like button also, and activate the bell so I can keep making this type of videos. Okay, so that was a long 20 minutes of this creating it. So it has creating it. Okay, so done. So now let's switch up to my Dell, and we are going to see if this works. I pray for it to work, because if not I will need to install Windows 11 again, burn the Windows 11 ISO into that flash drive and install it again. Okay, so the boot menu, so UEFI. So it's booting into something. I'm going to speed up this and oh, so it's putting into Windows 11. This is not the OS that I had installed on this. Oh my god. Oh, it's a rescue disk. Oh. Okay, yeah. Wait, let me do this like a bigger in my main machine. So yeah, Spanish. Welcome to the ultimate antivirus toolset. View copy and moves. Okay, so let's first do the first option. Okay, so next. No, but this is the installer. I think. Cancel. Okay, so let's try this. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my god. It has. What has happened? So my disk doesn't appear in here. So what are the chances that MEMZ destroyed my whole hard drive? Okay, so this was my last option. I don't have any C. Is this C? Oh, but the C drive. So yeah, basically like a very like a very basic. So as you can see, as a result, if you execute MEMZ and then execute AVG will stop it, but if you restart the system, your Windows drive will be deleted with all your files and it won't be recovered in any ways. So that's what happens when you do that. So please guys, give a like to this video and subscribe for another video like this, and I hope that you guys love this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.